Hello, dear aquarist. Thank you for watching this case of fish disease. And especially when you like cichlids, this might be an interesting case. Like I discussed previously a few cases ago about an Oscar cichlid. It's a typical disease here we found on this South American cichlid. It's a Jack Dempsey that is suffering from parasites. Yes, some parasites that can be treated. And I show you my microscopic findings so you understand how we can detect and of course what you can do as a treatment. So I show the PowerPoint that I prepared for you about this Jack Dempsey, the blue Jack Dempsey or the Rocio octofasciatus, the scientific name, that had the parasite Spironucleus, used to be called Hexamita, but also some tubercles, Mycobacterium in the organs. Because this fish came from a breeder that is also cultivating, breeding diseases like Mycobacterium. It's a serious problem that can occur, and that's why we should inform the breeder that he should take proper action. My books on fish diseases explain all about that, about cichlids, the diseases of cichlids, how to diagnose, how to prevent, and what kind of medications you should apply. Particularly, I recommend to read how to apply medications and what correct dosages to use. See the link below where you can order the books. Here we see the Jack Dempsey in the aquarium. Some look pretty healthy, looking for food, but some are getting dark. Here, look, one in the back, wasting away, becoming weak, and some getting very, well, bloated sometimes. Here we can particularly see this one here. This one is suffering. You can see it's heavy respiration, and that's the fish who will die in the coming hours and the coming days. So that means this fish is telling, please check me out, because all my other friends in the aquarium might suffer from the same problem. And it's now time to take proper care. You might also see some exophthalmia, some popeye, but not always so clear to see in this kind of species. When we checked the gills, we found tubercles in the gills. Look at his here and here. Different tubercles. That is a very advanced bacterial infection, most likely caused by Mycobacterium in the gills. Not usual to see that. We saw some bacterial infection, gill rot. Look how bad this gill has been deteriorated, and that will not properly function. That's why the heavy respiration of that fish is suffocating. And internally we found tubercles in the organs, in the liver, in the spleen, in the kidney. They all had those tubercles that takes away healthy tissue. At the same time, we found Spironucleus here in the abdominal cavity. We found here two big tubercles. And you can see around here all those parasites moving around the tiny flagellated Spironucleus. I show it in another video more close by. You can see many of those parasites here. The Spironucleus used to be called Hexamita, causing damage to the fish, next to the tubercles, causing bad organs. You can imagine that this fish had a bad origin. Well, that Jack Dempsey, here we can see one that was dying in the corner of the aquarium. It's better that those badly infected fish, that you put them gently asleep, because they are a spreader of the disease. The parasites will escape from the fish. When the fish is dying, they will get rid from the fish like rats that are leaving a sinking ship. So euthanize the fish, take it out. Some fish might have less tubercles and can live for a long time and can be saved when you take proper actions. The gill rot we noticed might be secondary due to the bacterial infection of the tubercles or the damage caused by the spironucleus. So you might be able to treat. You should treat the Spironucleus, yes, with a medication like metronidazole, and usually Spironucleus is also caused by bad feeding practice. So be aware when you're feeding live food or mosquito larvae particularly, there are a risk of introducing problems. I have specific videos on that when I'll talk about hole in the head disease or Spironucleus. Check my videos. So treat with metronidazole and antibiotic oxytetracycline. Ask your fish doctor or your pet shop for advice. Or read my books. And at the same time, functional fish food can be very helpful to repair the fish. And we would recommend Dr. Bassleer Biofish Food Lapacho in this case. Read my books on fish diseases, how to apply correct treatments. Or go to my Patreon channel on fish doctoring, where you can get training on preventing fish diseases, quarantine of fish, freshwater fish, marine fish diseases, how to diagnose, many things that teaches you lessons. So I hope this video helped you to understand this disease on the Jack Dempsey, which can also appear on other cichlids or on other fish. See my videos I made on fish diseases. Subscribe and learn more. Thank you for watching.